Hello and welcome to The Exchange, brought to you by the New York Stock Exchange. I'm Douglas Jonas, your host. I'm joined today by Garrett Stevens. He's the CEO of Exchange Traded Concepts, also known as ETC. Garrett, thanks so much for being here.
Thanks, happy to be here.
Now, as a reminder, today's interview is for informational purposes only. The NYSE does not recommend investments or investment strategies. Garrett, ETC, very well known in our side of the industry as a white label provider. Could you explain a little bit about what that phrase, white label, means and how you're positioned in the industry?
Sure, so as a white label ETF issuer, what we do is create and launch ETFs for other issuers. So many of the ETFs you see in the marketplace today are being actually run by somebody else. So there's a firm's name on it, it's their strategy, we're implementing it and doing all the behind the scenes work on their behalf.
Now for ETC, you're working with lots of different clients, as you said, a lot of ETFs listed here on the floor of the exchange. Is there a particular client set that you're working with, looking for?
There are. So we work with several types of clients. So asset managers may choose to launch funds with us, registered investment advisors, index providers, lots of different types of firms feel that they get a great benefit from having an ETF in the marketplace in addition to their current strategies.
Now, of course, ETFs, you and I, we've been in this industry for a long time, fantastic benefits. We talk about them all the time on this show. Lower cost to operate, transparency, the ability to trade throughout the day, global distribution. Why are these clients coming to you? Why are they coming and saying, hey, we need to launch an ETF?
Well, it's certainly the benefit of the ETF structure is the big piece of it. So the tax benefits that we all know and love of exchange traded funds, we can take whatever strategy they're currently running and make it in a much more tax efficient wrapper in many cases. So there are then of course operational benefits that come with it as well, where you're trading one portfolio instead of maybe hundreds or thousands of individual accounts. And then of course is the marketing opportunities and the distribution that comes with the ETF itself. That's a lot harder with other types of investment vehicles.
Yeah, and I think it can be underestimated how much by gathering underneath of a platform you can add additional savings to the overall operations. For someone who's out there, they're watching, whether it be an advisor or any of the other different types of firms and institution, if they're thinking about you, ETC, where do they go to learn more?
They can visit our website at exchangitradedconcepts.com. All the information on there, you can fill out the quick contact us form and that'll shoot a message to us and we'll send you lots of good follow-up information.
So you've got exchangitradedconcepts.com. You can follow Garrett on LinkedIn, that's Garrett Stevens. If you found this episode live and you're looking for additional ETF thought leadership content from some of the issuers that list with Garrett, you can find it all on our website, homeofetfs.com. Very easy to remember, homeofetfs.com. All brought to you by the New York Stock Exchange, the home of ETFs.